a chase after dealers who threw drugs out of the window. Also, the driver of a Toyota with fake license plates who left his documents and phone in the car while fleeing. On April 8, 2025, Trooper Adrian Belcher and I received a call from dispatch advising that the Dardanelle Police Department was involved in a vehicle pursuit in the city of Dardanelle, requesting our assistance. Dardanelle advised the initial reason for the stop was defective headlights and that the passenger in the vehicle threw out a suspected illegal substance.
State primary. 13 California.
We're east on North 2nd Street. For all units, that will be direct. That will be direct. Passing Gold Street on 2nd Street. Attempted TBI. TBI. Tempted.
Upon coming to a stop, the driver of the suspect vehicle, later identified as Craig Sebastian, began to flee on foot. After a short chase, I was able to apprehend Mr. Sebastian by tackling him and physically restraining his arms behind his back. The female passenger in the vehicle, identified as Michaela Bowden, immediately surrendered in the pickup and was taken into custody by Dardanelle Police Department. I noticed a passenger car traveling on Interstate 40 West with a defective headlight on the passenger side. I caught up to the vehicle and activated my emergency equipment, attempting a traffic stop. The suspect vehicle continued driving in the center lane and did not reduce its speed. At this time, we passed the 281 Mound City Road exit, still traveling at approximately 60 miles per hour.
Jody, hands up! Hands up! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Get out!
Get out of the car!
Get out! Keep your hands up!
Walk around the back of the car towards the front, towards me.
The suspect vehicle came to a stop on Ingram Boulevard in front of the Enterprise Car Rental Building. A felony takedown was conducted, which resulted in Christopher K. Price of Tennessee being taken into custody without further incident. On March 4th, 2025, I was patrolling Interstate 430 southbound near Shackleford when I observed a gray Toyota Avalon traveling with no license plate.
I think it's Boy David Tom 963.
After observing these violations, I initiated a traffic stop as we approached Colonel Glenn. At this point, I was able to see that the suspect vehicle had a license plate sitting in the lower left corner of the back glass.
Pull
to the right shoulder. Pull to the right shoulder.
We all started in the we were eastbound on Colonel Glenn. That's a Toyota. He's got his flashers on, just slow roll. We stopped at Colonel Glenn and Shackleford at the Circle K. It's a single occupant. He's been moving around a lot. Yeah, 10-4. I believe I'm going not jump on as much as he's been doing.
Driver, turn the car off.
A little wrong. 1037. East on Colonel Glenn. Speeds are 70. No traffic right now. Notify LRPD, please. He just crashed out. Just crashed out before the stagecoach. Black male, red pants, white shirt.
The suspect fled eastbound on Colonel Glenn, reaching speeds into the upper 70s. While attempting to negotiate a curve, the suspect veered to the left of the roadway, becoming disabled on Colonel Glenn near Allard Drive. As the vehicle came to a stop, the driver exited the car, wearing a white tank top with red pants, and began fleeing on foot.
Again, it's a black male with a white tank top and red pants on. He fled into the woods southwest from my current location.
Once the canine and drone were ready, a ground track was conducted into the woods. After searching multiple times through the woods, the canine unit was unable to locate a driver. The drone was able to fly above and did not receive any indications of someone present in the woods other than law enforcement. I want to thank you again for watching and enjoy the rest of the week.